Islam in America has a rich, complex, and long history stretching back centuries. It is characterized by an extremely diverse community made up of indigenous, immigrant, and converted populations. Here is an overview of Islam in the United States and North America. 1. Historical presence in the United States. Islam's roots in America predate the nation's founding, arriving primarily through two distinct historical streams. Enslaved Africans, 16th 19th centuries. The first significant wave of Muslims came involuntarily through the transatlantic slave trade. Historians estimate that 10% to 30% of the enslaved Africans brought to colonial America were Muslims. Many struggled to maintain their faith and were often forcibly converted. But figures like Omar ibn Said, who wrote an autobiography in Arabic, documented the faith's early presence. Immigration waves, late 19th century present early immigrants, starting in the late 19th century. Waves of immigrants arrived from the Middle East, primarily from Greater Syria, Lebanon, and Eastern Europe. They established some of the earliest mosques in the Midwest, example, Iowa, Michigan. The Great Migration and Black American Islam. The 20th century saw the rise of indigenous Black American Islamic movements such as the Moorish Science Temple of America and the Nation of Islam, seeking to restore the culture and faith lost during slavery. Many of these later transitioned into Orthodox Sunni Islam. Example, the community led by Warid Deen Muhammad. Post 1965 immigration. The abolition of restrictive immigration quotas by the Immigration and Nationality Act of 1965 led to a massive, diverse influx of Muslims from South Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and East Asia, forming the majority of the current Muslim population. 2. Demographics and diversity. The Muslim American community is often cited as the most ethnically diverse faith community in the United States. Population size. U.S. current estimates place the Muslim population in the United States at 3.5 to 4.5 million, making it the third largest religious group after Christianity and Judaism. Composition. The community is roughly split between immigrant descendant populations, South Asian, Arab, African, and Persian descent. Indigenous converts. A large percentage are Black American converts. There is also a small but growing Latino Muslim population. Canada. Canada also has a rapidly growing Muslim population, estimated at over 1.7 million, nearly 5% of the population as of 2021, concentrated mainly in the Greater Toronto Area, Montreal, and Vancouver. Muslim Americans are highly integrated into American society, yet they face ongoing challenges. Contributions. Muslim Americans are highly active in various professional fields, including medicine and healthcare. Muslims account for a significant percentage of U.S. physicians, technology and engineering, politics and public service. Several Muslims have been elected to the U.S. Congress and hold various local offices. Sports and culture. Iconic figures like Muhammad Ali and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar have made profound cultural impacts. Mosques often serve as vital community centers for civic engagement and social services. Challenges. Islamophobia and discrimination. Since the events of 9/11, Muslim Americans have faced significant increases in hate crimes, discrimination in employment and housing, and generalized suspicion and hostility. Religious freedom. Community members have had to actively advocate and litigate to secure their rights to religious expression, such as wearing the hijab in schools and workplaces, and fighting local opposition to the construction of mosques. Islam in America is characterized by its deep historical roots, profound ethnic and racial diversity, high rates of civic engagement, and an ongoing struggle against prejudice and for full inclusion in the national narrative.